In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Smartsheet. If you've been wondering how to ensure all your hard work is safely stored, you've come to the right place. Backing up your data regularly is crucial for preventing data loss and making sure everything you've built is secure and accessible whenever you need it. Let's get started. First things first, open up your browser and log into your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your workspace. This is the hub of all your important projects, and it's where you'll initiate the backup process. Now look at the upper right corner of your workspace's name. You'll notice three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on them. This will bring up a menu with several options, and from this list you'll want to select the option Backup Now. This is the command you'll use to initiate a backup of your entire workspace. Smartsheet will then present you with some backup settings. You have the option to check additional boxes like include attachments. This ensures that any files or documents associated with your sheets are also backed up, providing a comprehensive backup of your workspace. There's also an option to send the workspace owner an email when the backup is completed, which is a great way to stay informed once the process is done. Once you've configured your settings the way you want, go ahead and click OK to confirm your backup request. With just these few clicks, your data is set to be securely backed up, and you can rest assured knowing your projects are safe. Now, let's switch gears a little. If you need to back up individual sheets rather than an entire workspace, here's how you can do that. Start by opening the specific sheet you want to back up. With the sheet open, move your cursor to the File menu, click File, and then look for the Export option. This will let you export your sheet in various formats. Here you'll find multiple options such as Excel, Google Sheets, CSV, PDF, and PNG, to name a few. Choose the format that best suits your needs. Selecting the right format ensures that you can access and utilize your data easily in other applications, so decide which will benefit you most in future use. Finally, once you've chosen the format, save the file to your desired location. This could be directly to your device or to a cloud storage service. By saving in a cloud service, you ensure that your data is accessible from anywhere and also adds an extra layer of backup. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to back up your entire Smartsheet workspace and individual sheets. Through these simple steps, you can keep your data protected and accessible. Make sure to perform these backups regularly to keep all your important information safely stored. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.